If you need to clean up your videos fast, today I'm going to show you how to bleep swears in CapCut on PC, step by step. This is a super useful editing trick for YouTube, Shorts, Reels, podcasts, and any video where you want to keep the energy of the original audio while removing explicit words. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to split the audio, mute the swear word, and add a beep sound effect so the edit feels smooth and professional. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your computer and load the project you want to edit. If you haven't added your clip yet, import your video and drag it down onto the timeline. Make sure your audio is visible and easy to work with, because the next few steps depend on being able to find the exact point where the swear word happens. Now play through the clip and locate the part where the swear word appears in the audio. You want to zoom in enough to be precise, because even a small timing mistake can make the bleep feel off. Once you find the word, move the playhead to the very start of the swear word. This is important, because the first split needs to happen exactly where the word begins. With the playhead in place, click Split, or use Ctrl+B if you want the faster shortcut. This creates the first cut. Next, move the playhead to the end of the swear word, and split again. Now you have isolated the exact section of audio that contains the explicit word. At this point, click the split audio section that contains the swear word. Once it's selected, go to the right side panel and reduce the volume to 0. This mutes the offensive word completely while keeping the rest of the audio unchanged. If you want, you can also shorten or nudge the clip slightly to make the transition even tighter, but the main goal here is to silence that section cleanly. Now that the word is muted, it's time to add the beep. Go to Audio, then click Sound Effects. In the search bar, type beep. CapCut usually has a few different beep style effects, so choose the one that best matches the tone of your video. For most edits, a simple short beep works best because it sounds clear without being distracting. Once you find the beep sound, drag it onto the timeline and place it directly over the muted section. Your goal is to cover the entire swear word, so the beep starts just before the word would be heard and ends just after it finishes. If the beep is too short, the original audio might still poke through. If it's too long, it can feel unnatural. So take a moment here to line it up properly. You can zoom into the timeline for more accuracy and adjust the beep until it matches the length of the muted word. If needed, trim the beep slightly so it fits perfectly. You can also lower or raise its volume, depending on how strong you want the censor effect to sound. A clean, simple beep usually works best because it keeps the focus on your content instead of the edit itself. After that, play the section back a few times. Listen carefully to make sure the swear word is fully covered and the transition sounds natural. If the timing is a little off, just slide the beep left or right until it lines up better. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how polished the final video feels. And that's it. You've successfully bleeped a swear word in CapCut on PC. This method is quick, easy, and perfect for keeping your content clean without re-recording the entire clip. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and check out the rest of my editing tutorials for more simple ways to improve your videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.